say? Let's see. Not working out it. Oh, how you see? This sir, you don't listen. My God, you should be ashamed of yourself. Never listen to your husband. You see? My God, you're an old lady now.
Wait, I'm watching the scales right there, but the scale is not right there.
I know. You checked and there's no scales. You remember? This shop is close to like right there somewhere because I remember we were going to Amigo and we just walked from there. No? My God. Which one was the bank that? Which one was the? This is not the bank, huh? That you have?
What?
The bank that you had.
No, no. Or a
I knew it. I think it's, I can't remember. I think it's right there, but I don't remember. Oh, LPC, that's shipping. Where the hell? Oh, it's this one right here. Alright, go on, look.